Hey everyone, Namaste and welcome back to Adiyogam. There are so many yoga names going on like Vinyasa Yoga, Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Aerial Yoga, Partner Yoga, Acro Yoga, Hot Yoga, Bikram Yoga, Kundalini Yoga. Oh my god, what not. So this is the first thing which a beginner will come across and have a tough time to choose between. Don't worry, we are here to help you out. Only thing you need to do is watch this video till the end. There are different schools in the world of yoga. Accordingly, the living science of yoga has been organized into the different paths or approaches over the centuries. It is no big surprise that human beings with so much diversity of thoughts and feelings would find several paths to their spiritual development in the realm of yoga, isn't it? Let me tell you, there are only these four realities in your life, and whatever you wish to do yourself, it must be done on these four levels only. The first one is your body, your mind, your emotion, and the fourth one is prana, nothing but vital energy. I have already told you what is yoga. If you don't know what is yoga, find the link in the description or you can find somewhere here. Yoga is nothing but union of individual consciousness with universal consciousness. It's nothing but ultimate reality. So if you use your emotions to reach that ultimate reality, that means you are in the path of Bhakti Yoga, nothing but the path of devotion. And if you use your intelligence to reach that ultimate reality, that means you are in the path of JNANA Yoga, nothing but the path of intelligence. If you use your body or a physical action to reach that ultimate, we call this as Karma Yoga, nothing but the path of selfless service. And if you use your energy and transform that energy into the higher self, that is nothing but Raja Yoga, which is also called as Ashtanga Yoga or Eight-Limb Yoga, which Master Patanjali has defined. So these are the only four paths to reach that ultimate stage. Everybody is a combination of these four, but the proportion or the combination matters from a person to person or varies from person to person. Some person might be very good at handling or using their emotions. Some are very good at intelligence, being so much intellectual beings, and some are very good at using their desire as a service, selfless service basically. And some are very good at transforming their energy. But how to figure out which path is good for you, that is the place where a guru or a teacher comes into picture. So find the right guru, he will guide you which path you have to focus more on. But hold on, did I mention these four paths when I was telling in the beginning? You're not there, right? Why am I telling these all things now? Again, don't get confused. Let me make it more clear and easy for you. To do these four are the main paths which will lead you to the ultimate reality. But again, if you want to enroll in a college, you have to write an entrance exam or a preliminary exam. In the same way, if you have to reach these four paths, you have to first go through a preliminary practices. There comes the Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is the way of working with the body, disciplining the body, purifying the body, and preparing your body for the higher levels. Nothing but those four paths. So whatever the name you come across in the modern yoga, they all are just a preparatory practices or at the initial stage. They all are part of Hatha Yoga. So Hatha Yoga is the mother of all the yoga right now, which are mostly bodily oriented yogas which you come across. What is Hatha Yoga? To know the answer, you need to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and wait for the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Namaste.